List begins with Addison Dunbar, and Miss Dunbar celebrating her 9th birthday. Addison, I want you to have a marvelous, marvelous day. She's on her way to school this morning in Oswego.
All right, and we have Jackson Westervelt, who's 9 years old in Weir, Kansas. Happy birthday, Jackson.
Catching up with one, Cade Peak. Cade, I know you had a birthday celebration yesterday, my man. I want you to keep it going. I'm gonna carry yours all the way to the weekend. We'll do that. I like that haircut too, dude. Happy 9th birthday to Cade.
Kennedy Bullard celebrating birthday number 16 this year. Welcome to the teenage years, a sophomore at Columbus Unified High School. Love your mom and dad. Happy birthday, Kennedy.
Well, I mean, she's 16. She's been a teenager for a little bit.
Oh, yeah.
She knows how to
I meant welcome to the legal driving years.
There you go.
There we go.
A sweet 16.
Sweet 16, my
for Miss
bad.
Kennedy. Danny Malvin, a 17th birthday. Happy birthday to you, Mr. Danny. He's in Reeds.
Julian Moreno turning 25 years old this year. Julian, it says here, is studying aerospace engineering at KU.
Oh my gosh.
Nice. Also a nominee for the NASA Astronaut Scholarship. That's pretty cool. That's impressive.
Wow.
A four-state.
Wow.
Astronaut. Future astronaut from the 4 states there. Happy birthday, Julian.
Julian, number one, best of luck. And you have got to keep us informed and updated on that NASA Astronaut Scholarship, man. That is tremendous. Happy birthday as well, but man, that's great. Aerospace engineering. I'm lucky if I can spell the word aerospace.
Oh my goodness.
You know? Brittney Robinson, a happy 26th birthday. Miss Brittney, she is in Thayer. Maybe a trip to Big Ed's?
Yeah.
Maybe?
You want some steak?
Yeah, I do. This is a story for another time.
Will they serve steak this early in the morning?
It's Brittney's birthday. Darn right.
Yeah, they will. Brittney, we're coming. We're joining you for dinner today. There you go.
All right, there goes my breakfast plan. Sorry, Brittney. Thinking we could eat earlier, but all right.
All right. Chris Jones turning 65 years old this year. What a cool picture there. Chris is in Parsons. Happy birthday from your wife, son, and future daughter-in-law.
Oh, well, congratulations to the Jones family there. That's cool. Happy birthday from your happy and loving wife to Mr. Jim Campbell. Jim, those birthday wishes coming from your beautiful wife right there. Jim's celebrating his 67th birthday in Columbus.
Clarice Swezey celebrating birthday number 85 this year. Miss Swezey celebrating in the beautiful Mulberry, Kansas.
Come on, everybody out, Labco. All you Grizzlies out there at the school. Wish Brady Phillips a happy 18th birthday. Brady's in Parsons, and he's a senior right now at Lebec County High School. And then Karen Wildish. Karen, I want you to know that these happy birthday wishes come from your loving daughter as Miss Wildish turns 75 in Fort Scott. Happy birthday and happy anniversary to all. Here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMnewsnow.com. Sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.